This video is how to remove starch from rice. I am coming up with the ingenious way to remove starch from rice in this video. This method of cooking is followed by southern part of India even today, but is one of the old methods. Friends, let's see how this method of rice is helpful. Soluble carbohydrates are removed from this method, so sugar loading is decreased. This also reduces the kapha content of the food, resulting in better digestion of food. Decreased sugar loading reduces the chance of getting obesity, insulin resistance, and also type 2 diabetes. Starch metabolizes quickly to increase the blood sugar. Increased blood sugar increases insulin resistance and also increases the fat storage. Let us see how it is cooked now. Rinsing the rice results and removing the surface starch from the rice results in decreased gumminess of the rice. You can also use a colander to collect the rice for this method. There are many benefits of drinking the Ganji water. The rice water or starchy water is packed with vitamin B, niacin, riboflavin, which are very essential for your brain development. Drinking this water 1 hour before having your food also result in reduction in total intake of food, as your tummy is already full by drinking this water, so you're going to eat less for that particular meal. See, the rice is well cooked. Close the lid and let it sit on the countertop for 10 minutes and then it's ready to serve. By adapting this method, you're going to reduce around 15% of total starch intake. It's also very beneficial for people with diabetes and also people watching their weight. So grains cooked by this method is also separate and fluffy. So if you really love your rice, then you cannot completely stop eating. So portion control is also a very important aspect. Rice cooked by this method is separate and not clumped together, so you also tend to eat less than usual. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel to get more such amazing healthy recipes. Thank you.